Look at this. Most stylish influencer award goes to Rishi.
Lovely known faces. Hi Priya, like we didn't get a chance to see you before. I'm sure all of us are very, very anxious. This is one of the first event I think that's happening where everyone, I was talking to Harsha and he said this is the first event he's coming post-pandemic. So thanks so much for taking out time, Harsha, Sanjay ji, thank you so much. I know you were so busy with the wedding preparations and you took out time to come. Just amazing to see all of you. What an exciting day to be along with some of the best minds, all in one room. Minds that have innovated, minds that have broken a mold, minds who've swam against the tide. I know हम में से कितने लोगों को हम लोग जब मोबाइल लेके घूमते थे तो our parents would have said ये क्या दिन भर फोन के साथ में घूमता रहता है तू. And now just see where all of you all have reached. Fantastic, all of you all have created history. Let's all of us give a round of applause to all these super people who've come together. So during the lockdowns, we lost out meeting on our neighbors, teenagers missed out meeting on our friends. From Hum Saath Saath Hai family, quite a few of them became very, very micro-nuclear families. Everyone sitting here, you actually became a shoulder to cry. You became the friend, you became the family, you became neighbors, teachers, activists, mentors. You just kept millions happy. You kept, they saw someone who cares. Whether it's your amazing lifestyle post, Jannat, or your dance moves, Vaibhav and Aves, or your SAPs, Sanjeev ji, your jokes, Saurabh Neel, your fitness tips, Sangram, your fashion tips, Malini, soulful classic music, fan moment, Mahesh, just so much, Yashraj. Yashraj and I come from the same town, so there's obviously that little pride over there. So thanks a million, for making it over here. All of you are just game changers in your own very way. So at Lokmat, we've always believed that good work should never go unnoticed. We always, there's always so much negativity around us that we need to make sure that whenever there's something positive happening, how do you kind of bring it to the forefront? I remember my senior colleague, Milan, if he's around, he came and he said, he came up with the idea of the Digital Influencer Awards to the board. That Lokmat's the only media house that honors the business community as well as the film fraternity. Lokmat is the only organization that awards achievements of parliamentarians and of the Sarpanch at the same time. So this is the right time to bring mavericks together who have revolutionized decision-making in the social media front. So we love the idea. And when our editorial team came together, we brainstormed on a lot of names. But there were two parameters which kept coming again and again. One, of course, credibility. The person should be very honest to his profession. And second, continuity. It shouldn't be that he is a one video wonder. He's just come in but we realized that everyone sitting over here, over months, over years, there was a certain consistency. Rather in the credibility, like we say at Lokmat, Patrakarita Parmo Dharma. I think that's something that's part of our DNA. So, they'll say big thank you to the whole Josh team. Thank you for becoming part of the Influencer Awards, the Lokmat Digital Influencer Awards. It's our first time, but I'm pretty sure going forward, it's going to become one of the largest flagship event of Lokmat. And I'm sure over the next 10 years, we'll keep seeing all these faces again. As Lokmat grows, so will all the influencers sitting over here. It's a matter of honor and pride. And I host all of this first of its kind ceremony. All the best to each one of us. Thank you. Thank you so much.